Hey everybody, how are we doing today? We got a real quick video for you today. We're going to learn something and we're going to get out of here. We got what we're dealing with. Obviously, been doing body work on everything. We do have a couple places though where it's actually cracked in the cab line. And I'm sure that this is mostly from like driving in and out of ditches and that body twist. That's got some real fine little cracks here. I'll zoom in for you here real quick and then we'll talk about how we're going to fix them and knock them out, move on with our lives. This is our crack. Comes up through here and ends right here. And what this is, I've taken a small drill bit and drilled it at the end of that crack. Because what you want to do is drill that end, because otherwise, even after that's welded, that can actually still spread from the end of that crack. And so anytime you're working with metal that has cracked and you're trying to weld it and stop it, you want to end drill it just like that. Now the other side, I've actually gone ahead and done some grinding on, so you can, sorry about that guys, I fat fingered it. Anyways, I've ground it so it's prepped for weld. That crack is so fine you can't actually even see it in there right now, but it comes up right into here. So now we're just going to take the welder, set it on a fairly low setting because this is already, you know, got some wear in that metal. So we're sorry about that. So we're just gonna burn it together, grind it off, and then it'll be ready for a little filler. There it is up close. You can see we got just a little bit of a low spot here. Just a little bit of filler, just a real light skim. That'll be done. Take you to the other side here. This side doesn't even need filler. Turned out perfect. Ready to prime that. So anyways guys, that's going to do it for today. Nice quick video. Hope you learned a little something. Like I said, anytime you're going to be dealing with cracked metal, you want to end drill that. Other than that, there you go. So for right now, I think that's going to be where we end off today. We got some rust panels coming in. Hopefully get some rust patching going on in the next video or so. But in the meantime, go find a project, get dirty.